Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today again come up with another video, and in today's video we are going to learn star and delta connections of alternator of machines. These connections are crucial for the different operation of various machines. So let's get started. Let's first understand what an alternator is. An alternator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy using the principle of electromagnetic inductions. In heavy equipment such as excavator and generators, alternator plays an important role in powering various systems. So first of all, let's talk about the star connections. So this one is our star connections, and in this configuration you can see the one end of each of these three coils connected to a common point, and other ends goes to the rectifier. This is our star connections, and it is also called Y connections. So there are several advantages of these connections. So we will talk about that advantages. So what are the advantages of the star connections? First one is a lower voltage. So each phase voltage is lower, make it safer for starting heavy load. Second is reduce starting current. It helps to reduce the stress of the alternator and other components. Third one is a neutral point. It provides the neutral points which we can use in protection or grounding. So these are the advantages of the star connections. So next one is the delta connections. Now we will talk about the delta connections, and in this form is called delta connections. And in this configuration you can see the ends of each coil connected in a loop. So this delta connection is also have the several advantages. So in benefits, first one is the higher voltage. Each phase voltage is higher, allowing for better power delivery. So second one is increased starting torque. This is ideal for heavy equipment that requires more power during a startup. Third one is no neutral point. This can simplify some system, particularly in industrial applications. So these are the benefits of delta connections. So now we have learned advantage of the star connection and delta connections. So when should we use each connection? So star connection is best for starting motor under heavy load, or where lower current or lower voltage required. So delta connections where we use connections ideal for full load operation where high torque and power necessary. So here's both star and delta connections have their unique benefits and applications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more engineering insights. Let me know in the comments if you have any question or topic you would like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. See you next time.